Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay Robinhood Gold annually. Now, they usually charge you $50 for the annual subscription at the beginning of each billing cycle. It's very easy to go ahead and pay for this. So you just go to the Robinhood app, okay? And on this app, you will see your billing subscription cycle in the menu, okay? And if you have used the app, you also see your primary payment method. You can decide to pay within the app with your credit or debit card or whatever other options that are available, or you can pay using the Play Store, okay? So wherever you did that, you go ahead and add your payment details and you can pay your $50 per year, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, so make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.